We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can update or change the navigation picture for this MIBAO D100 IP camera. So if you change the room for your camera, installed it in some alternative room, and you need to retake the navigation picture, or perhaps you just want to update it, launch the IPC360 app, then find your camera, here tap at the panorama, then tap at the Try Now button, and now simply wait for the, camera to make its thing, and for it to snap a reference picture. So once all 21 reference pictures were snapped successfully, they get merged into one long horizontal panorama picture, and now it's your new navigation image. Now if we were to exit, open the camera management here, as you can see the new picture is here, so we can move it around now and select the part of the room you would like to survey or observe. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, so thanks for watching and bye bye.